Stop chasing outdated leads and start uncovering hidden real estate goldmines. This video reveals exactly how to use Propstream to land deals others are missing. First, log into Propstream and right away, you'll see a map view. This is your hunting ground now. Let's define your ideal property type: single-family homes, condos, land, whatever you're after. Use the filters at the top to narrow your search. Click Filters. Then select your property class and property type from the drop-down menus. Next, target motivated sellers. Click on the owner filter. Here's where the magic happens. Select options like absentee owner, bankruptcy, divorce, or pre-foreclosure. These situations often indicate a higher likelihood of the owner wanting to sell quickly. You can also refine your search based on ownership length. Utilize Propstream's quick lists for even faster targeting. Click the quick list button and explore preset filters like high equity, liens, or vacant properties. These curated lists offer instant access to potentially lucrative opportunities. Once you've identified potential properties, dive deep into the details. Click on a property on the map to access its profile, review owner information, mortgage details, estimated property value, and any existing liens or encumbrances. This information is crucial for crafting your offer. Now, armed with this data, it's time to reach out. Propstream provides contact information for owners, but skip tracing might be required for harder-to-find owners. When you connect, be professional, empathetic, and ready to negotiate. Mention you found their property and understand their situation. Remember, knowledge is power. Propstream empowers you with the data you need to find deals, negotiate effectively, and maximize your real estate investing returns. So, get out there, start searching, and happy investing.